Hi, this is Epic Designer. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a light family in Revit. But before I get started, I would just ask you to subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. Let's jump into it. Okay, so for creating the light family, we need to go to the new family and go back to English folder, and we need to open metric lighting fixture ceiling based metric lighting fixture ceiling base. Just open it up. Yeah, now we have in our workspace. So let's start how to create a light family. So you see this is a slab and this is our light source, and this slab is going to be hold that light fixture model. So just check the light source first. What is the light source? And so these are the light source. How is light going to be uh, to be on the ground, or it seems like a spotted light, or this is photometric web, and this is spotlight. Yeah, as I said. Okay, so we this photometric web is more good than anything. So because it's spreading light all over where it has placed. So we're gonna use this light source. Go apply and click OK. So as you see, we have this one. Go to the front view. Mm, okay, so if it is like this, what we gonna do is we'll select this or not, go to the properties and just give this angle, it's 90. So go apply, click OK. So yes, it is now okay. So it is not rotated like that. Okay, so go to the front view, and this is the slab, and this is the light source. So we need a model, or we need something which looks like a light. So what we're gonna do is we'll create that, and just check what is the unit. It's already a millimeter, so just check the distance between this is 250. So what I'm gonna do is I am just uh, this is a reference light source elevation. So what I'm gonna do is put a reference plan over here and check the distance between it. Okay, so it's gonna be 100. Yeah, okay, 150 is that side, or might be we can make it a 50. Yes, so it's look nice. Okay, so go to the level and start creating that. Create extrusion and take a rectangular. You can make it a circle. So I'm gonna try a new thing. So that's why I took a rectangular. So I'll just place a rectangular here. It is 700 into 800, 8 by 8. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, so 800 should be 400. So let's take it like this should also be a 400 both sides. So just do something like this to make it equal on the both side. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, so take a offset, put here at 10 mm, and okay, so it is very less. Go to 30 mm. Okay, yeah, do the inner offset and take the trim and extend command and trim this from all sides. And so it's gonna be like, okay, so that's it, it's done now. And go to the front view, and okay, so we haven't select the reference plane, so we have to select this one. So anyway, we can drag it up because it's a small thing, so we can do something like this. So I have dragged this up already, and go to the level 1. And now if you go to the 3D view, and this is something like this. So our light source is this, and our light structure is this thing. It's gonna be aluminum, so we will give the material right away. Go to the material and right here aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. Okay, so we're gonna give the blue color. So let's see what happened. Go to the, yes, okay. Okay, now we need something here that will look like something glass, and light can easily be passed. So for that, there is some one special material that I'll show you in a while. Just create one extrusion here. So we will just take a rectangular and draw from here to here. Okay, just click OK and go to the front view and just drag it down to here and here. So what, make it a wireframe to see where it is. So 33, it's gonna be very thin, like 10 mm or more than 10 mm. Yeah, yeah, 3.9 is fine. And select this, go to the material, and there is one, right, just write WHITE, white, white glass, white high lumina. So just select this one and click OK. Yes, so just create, go to the 3D view, make it a realistic, and just check how it's look like. Yeah, so it's is something like this what we have created. So this is our glass material, something like glass, so light can easily be passed from it. Okay, so our light is ready. Just go to the properties and give some credentials here. Parent load gonna be 50, and go to this, go to watt wattage efficiency. So it's gonna be 50 again, and make it 150. So these information you can get from manufacturer, who wanted to create the model for the light. Just click OK, go here and make it okay 5000. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. Make it a 5000, click OK, and yeah, photometric web file. So click here. So this is basically the things which you can get from the fixture. So what you can use these files to show what's the light gonna be look like. So select uh, any of that, or you can select from your manufacturers. You can get from your manufacturer and select that, or click apply, click OK, and go to the downsides. Okay, so our light is going to be look like this. So we need to test it, so we need to make it to the uh, project file. Just okay, so just try to open new project file. That's gonna be architectural template. Click OK. Okay, let's create one ceiling plan here. So go to the wall, and yeah, whatever wall you want to create, and go create the wall. And yes, go to something like this. So I'm not changing the unit because we are not going to take many things here. So go to level 1 and create a ceiling here. So select, you need to go to the ceiling plan level 1 and then select the ceiling and use the automatic ceiling, and just come here and click it here. So you will have that ceiling. Yeah, so this is some different type of ceiling. Just create that ceiling. If you want, we can use that light here also, but for this thing, what am I gonna do is, so I'm gonna finish this, delete this, click OK. Or we're gonna give the concrete lightweight. Okay, so we're gonna give the material concrete, click OK, and click OK again. Okay, so it is something like this. So I think there is some hatch selected, so that's why it's showing the hatch of the concrete. So if you go here, click here, select this one, and you can use this to none, and this one go to none, and it's gonna be okay. So it's gonna be a plain surface there. Okay, so now we have to place that lights here. So just select this walls, go to connected and level 2. So we have a ceiling here. Go to the ceiling level 1 and bring the lights here. Load into the project. Yeah. So it is a floor level 1. So go to the level ceiling level 1 and you will be able to place that lights there. Okay, let's go to the floor plan, go to the camera view and select the camera from here and go something like this. Select the walls and change the material to white gypsum board. White gypsum wall board and select OK. Click OK, click OK again, and now we are done. So this is our light fixtures which we have created, and we have inserted in the project file for test. And now we gonna do is just check with the realistic view how it's look like. Yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Make it a wireframe again, or hidden line. HL is the short key, and go to render. So I'm gonna hit RR for the rendering. Okay, so there is one special setting for lights to prominent in the render. Go to the medium here and select this interior artificial only, and then hit the render. So I think it's get started, and now we have to wait for a while to check that. Yeah, I think it's done. uh, our light is already been made and it is tested. So this is the way you can create a light family file in Revit. And yeah, so we need to wait for a while for to complete this rendering to 100%. Yeah, yeah, it's done now. So this is the way you can create a light family in Revit. I think it's this is it in for this video. I'll see you in next video.